Hello all. It's pretty late night, 1:36 a.m. at the moment. I'm trying to record the video for tomorrow's session, so we'll try to be very crisp and very fast onto it. Firstly, thank you to all for your best wishes and blessings on completion of the first year of Triple A Trade channel. With respect to today's session, it was overall a good session, I would say. It was a good session and tough both. We did make decent gains with the initial part of the session, where I did guide you to avoid further trades after you booked decent gains. On the later part of the session, both the indexes went into very narrow range with false indication of breakout and breakdowns, making it a bit more choppier session till the end of it. Moving on to the Bank Nifty setup for tomorrow, that is 27th April. With respect to pattern formations, there are three pattern formations at the moment on the same area of the chart. Based on what I see, it can be a trending day, it can be a decisive day. Today it failed to get traded as a decisive day. It is more or less in the very steep range that we have seen. Tomorrow, with respect to trading, if it is breaking out somewhere around the levels of 32,450, this would have been an ideal level for us to enter into long trade. But we know that 32,500 overhead resistance is going to act as a hurdle before we make further rally or rise. So ideally we will be looking for the levels of 32,650 odd to be broken out or to be breached on Bank Nifty, so that we can expect the level up to the next over resistance, which is around 33,000. Okay, well, there will be opportunity, there will be probability that we may not have to wait for 32,650 or 32,655 to be achieved and then we enter into trade. Depending upon the formations and everything, we may enter in between this, and then we wait for the test that is going to take place at the expected resistance level. So that is going to depend to how it opens tomorrow, what is the direction and what is the momentum that is picking up. We will be deciding to enter into the trade accordingly. With respect to short trades, if this steeply trending channel is breaking down, that will be a breakdown of this upward trending channel as well. Basically, breaking this two channel is an indication of Bank Nifty returning or resuming into this sort of a upward trending channel, which is not very confident of, which is not very steep, but yes, this is an indication which opens up the area of this support line as a target to be met. Okay, so that's the probability for us to enter into short trade. The short trade would be a bit I wouldn't say clear, because even here if you are trying to enter into short at 32,100, we know that 32,000 will act as a strong support, making it bounce from the current levels or hold the fall at the moment. So ideal level would be to enter 31,800 or at the max 850, which would have broken the OI support levels of the Bank Nifty. Again, I'm saying there will be opportunity for us to enter into trade before even it is going to test the OI support or going to test the OI resistance. That will depend how it opens tomorrow and how I manage to guide you all on the same. Number 2, OI data formation. At 31,500 we got 7.2 lakh of a put short, which is pretty decent put shorts available out there, where if at all it makes a fall, it will be able to hold the fall quite confidently. Okay, which is also getting in alignment with the support levels that we got for this upward trending channel. 32,000 got 7 lakh put shorts versus 3.3 lakh of a call short, which is sort of a moderate support, because we do have some bit of call shorts out there. 32,500 got 4.4 lakh of a call shorts, which is more or less moderate to call strong resistance, I would say. I'm not sure if it is really going to break out tomorrow or going to break down tomorrow. Let's see towards which direction it takes the move, and based on the OI data formations and change, we will be trading that direction. Strikes to choose, this is going to be tricky, which strike to be chosen, because that completely depends upon the target that you are expecting, or at least the breach that it is going to attempt. Based on that, the strikes are actually chosen. So leave that up to me for tomorrow. So I will be communicating which strikes to be added based on the pre-opening levels and how it gets traded. Trend for tomorrow, uh, a bit indecisive, but based on the formations, based on the trade that so far has happened today, quite likely tomorrow it may break down further, because the ICICI play has over today. Okay, so whatever the hangover of ICICI was, it is exhausted today. So quite likely, uh, if there is no further positive surprise, or if there is no further positive element, then probably it will again make a bit of fall that we have been seeing since quite many previous session. Like it makes a bit rise and it falls again, it makes right again it falls. So quite possible overall trend on the charts, from a short term basis, it is yet negative. Okay, we have been just struggling to make further rise, and again we are falling, again we are trying to make further rise and again falling. So at the moment it is yet negative, no change as per se, I mean from chart per se. Now important level that I have been appraising you during the entire trading session is this level where Bank Nifty have just tested is one of kind of an important level. Had it been a case that it would have broken this level, had a breakout of this level, and it's somewhere closing towards the level of 32,800 or 900, this would have been an indication of breakout that is taking place on the Bank Nifty, and then we would have approached at least for 2,000 points from the current levels. And not in a single day. Obviously it would require some multiple sessions, but that would have been a probability. Now moving on to the setup for Nifty for tomorrow. Nifty is a bit clear in terms of the formations and all. So it is indisciplined trading in the upward trending channel with the correction that we had today after the opening levels. It has formed a steep downward trending channel. So if at all it breaks down tomorrow, that breakdown will also be a breakdown of this upward trending channel. Okay, so ideal level that we will be looking to enter is somewhere around 14,430 or 435 below, for the near target of 100 points, that is 14,335 or 340 odd. For the breakout, you will be looking to enter above the levels of 14,540 or 535 for the near target, approximately 80-90 points, which will be somewhere around 14,620. Okay, in between entries and how to enter, that I will be taking you through during the live session. So yeah, that is it. With respect to strike to be chosen to enter, since the levels are quite shorter range for tomorrow, leave that up to me based on the momentum, based on the indicative targets that can be approached. We'll be selecting the C's or P's to be traded. Trend for tomorrow, let's see. Bank Nifty has indicated a bit of negativity onto the charts. Similarly, same thing is being seen on Nifty as well, but it will depend on if it makes a bounce from this current level or it tracks down a bit further from here. On a short term basis, both the indices are negative, and yep, let's see tomorrow how it turns out. And with respect to OI data, at 14,400 there is decent or good amount of put shorts that we got, 21 lakhs, which is going to be a strong support. At 14,500 it is sort of a moderate support at the moment, where we got 25 lakh of a put shorts versus 14 lakh of a call shorts. So if it makes further rise, this call shorts are going to get covered. If it makes a bit further fall, then this put shorts which has been which have been created today might get covered tomorrow. So, and with respect to 14,600, this do have some bit of call shorts, but that's not as strong as we can consider it to be a strong resistance. So this is the overall setup for tomorrow. Let's see how the pre-open gets settled, and what is the direction or momentum on the charts which leads us to enter into the directional trades. Do refer to the handbook shared on the channel for key things to remember while you trade. For live trades, explanation and training, please join the Telegram channel. Link is shared in the description box for your reference, and also do subscribe to this YouTube channel for daily setup and updates further. Thank you all, and see you in the morning. Bye bye.